for a massive truck that has a fifth wheel hitch, tow package, Cummins Turbo Diesel engine, and more, then you're going to love this 2017 Ram 3500. I'm Alana here at Woodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Raters Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018. And you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this gray exterior color, super nice, and it contrasts well with your chromed out grille. You have two tow hooks in the front, and then you have these halogen headlamps as well. Then let's take a look underneath the hood. This has a 6.7 liter inline-6 Cummins Turbo Diesel engine, so lots and lots of power and perfect for that towing capability as well. And then looking down at your wheels, those are 17-inch steel chrome clad wheels, so again, very durable. And then over to the side you have all of your badging for your engine and your 3500 heavy duty. Then looking at your mirrors, you have those indicator lights on the corners, and they are powered and heated with those towing mirrors on the side so you can see easier into your blind spot. And then to help you up into this truck, you do have these chrome tubular running boards. Okay, so looking at these front seats, we have these gray cloth seats with that pattern insert in the middle, really comfortable. And then looking over at our steering wheel, you have your cluster controls, Bluetooth streaming controls, and your cruise control settings right there on the front. And then over to your 5-inch media center, it is a touchscreen brought to you by Uconnect. So here you have your radio options, and you can utilize Sirius XM radio if you subscribe to it. You also have your media options here, so if you want to hook up your phone and listen to music off of it, you can, or you can pair your phone with Bluetooth right there. You have a compass, all of your settings, and other settings right there. And this has a backup camera, so you can see clearly behind your vehicle, or you can line up a trailer, anything like that. Then you have your climate controls down below, your rear sensing system where you can turn that on and off, exhaust brake, tow haul mode, traction control, and your trailer brake right there with a 12-volt and a USB port on either side. 3 cup holders down here, and then you have 3 more up top with your center console, and then you have a USB port, aux port, and a 12-volt inside of there. But this can also fold up so you can fit another person right here. So this truck seats 6 people total. So let's go look at the back seat. Okay, so looking in this back seat, it is a bench seat, so you can fit 3 people in it, and it scoots up like that and shows storage space underneath. You also have these 2 storage compartments, and you can remove the insides, clean them out, put them back in. So if you want to put, water bottles or ice in there, that's a good option. And then making your way around the back, this is a dually, so you have the extra support on the back half of your vehicle. You have that 4x4 badging, your rear sensing system, and your tow package down below with your hookups right there. And then looking into this bed, you have 4 tie-down hooks on the sides and that 5th wheel hitch there in the middle. So overall, amazing truck. I mean, have everything in that media center, your 5th wheel hitch, running boards, tow package. And if you want to see this Ram 3500 or any of our other trucks, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates Woodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
Have so many different vehicles in the lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.